Como News took this video this afternoon. This is the flooding in Sumas. This is an updated photo from 346, looking at the city of Sumas. I got a few more angles to show you. This is the border crossing camera. You can see the water has gone up quite a bit since my last video. My last video, the photo was from about 12:45, and this is from 3:47 now. This is the last updated photo I have for right now. This is also from the Washington State Department of Transportation. And David Eby posted this afternoon at 2:20. And then I also replied to him. Don't know if you have X, but you can look at my comment on there.